Changing the destiny of time from the suffering of ignorance to the bliss of knowledge, ushering a dawn of heaven on earth, His Holiness Maharishi Mahesh Yogi began his journey with the avowed intention to change the course of human history. When he first began teaching, he had two main aims: to revive the spiritual tradition that meditation was for everyone and not just the recluse, and to show that the knowledge of Vedanta is compatible with modern science. Maharishi had a message of happiness, saying that being happy is of utmost importance. Success in anything is through happiness. Under all circumstances, be happy. Just think of any negativity that comes to you as a raindrop falling into the ocean of your bliss. His philosophy featured the concept that within everyone is an unlimited reservoir of energy, intelligence, and happiness. Long before the United Nations declared an International Yoga Day in 2015, long before the world supported this UN endorsement, it was the lone crusader Maharishi who took the West by storm. As early as in 1950s, by his amazing Vedic yoga, which he named Transcendental Meditation, a unique spiritual accomplishment, a complete self-immersion in the depth within, an oceanic joy upon calm, endless shores of soul, unending, exhaustless bliss, like a countless tissues of light, a swelling glory taking form within the human mind, the entire cosmos, gently luminous, like a city seen afar at night, glimmering with the infinity of your being. In 1959, Maharishi founded the International Meditation Society with bases in London and then San Francisco. He established his headquarters in Switzerland, then moving to Vlodrop, Holland in 1990. The movement had million followers. However, no event captured the awareness of meditation as universally as the cult music band Beatles' trip to India in 1968, which caught the popular imagination of youth worldwide.
It was actually George Harrison's wife, Patty, who had heard that Maharishi was coming to town. And she said we should all go.
Then the most powerful Secretary General of United Nations, Uttan, invited and met Maharishi in UN headquarters and spoke very high of his knowledge to the media afterwards. One of the most significant contributions of Maharishi to the modern world is the concept of collective consciousness. The term collective consciousness has been used to refer to the overall social atmosphere that arises from the thought and behavior of all individual members of the community or society. As stress and tension builds in the collective consciousness, the resulting social incoherence agitates individuals and groups within the society. As early as in 1960, Maharishi explained that with the practice of transcendental meditation technique by just 1% of the population, positive trends will rise in that society.
Now what we have found lately is that when 1% of a city population begins to practice transcendental meditation, then the trends of city life become more positive. Crime rate goes down. sickness rate at the same time goes down. It is this which has inspired us to inaugurate the dawn of the age of enlightenment.
Since then, a number of researchers have supported his philosophy. And keeping in with the scientific protocol, this phenomena has been named the Maharishi effect. Meditation has the potential to literally transform the world. In 1983, Maharishi effect took place when a group of 7,000 individuals over the course of 3 weeks were meditating in hope of positively affecting the surrounding city. They were able to literally transform the collective energy of the city, which reduced global crime rates, violence, and casualties during the time of their meditation by the average of 16%. Suicide rates and automobile accidents were reduced with all other variables accounted for. Maharishi effect met with similar success when a similar event was held in Washington, D.C. The study was repeated in Wales with amazing results. In 1987, Merseyside had the third highest crime rate of the 11 largest metropolitan areas in England and Wales, and by 1992 it had the lowest crime rate, 40% below the predicted level by the previous behavior of the series. Almost 50 studies have been done, further confirming the benefits of this global meditation and its direct impact on everything in the world. The results have been published in the Journal of Crime and Justice in 1981. We know meditation has endless health and psychological benefits, but it is now being explored by politics and sociology because of its undeniable energetic impact on world peace. Till now, the Maharishi effect and the effects of transcendental meditation have been documented in scientific experiments. There have been over 600 studies conducted at over 250 independent universities and research institutes in 30 countries.
In the students I teach, in the university, where the faculty, the students, the president of the university, all practice transcendental meditation to strengthen the mind. It's the most powerful.
Physicist Dr. John Hagelin cites numerous studies on the Maharishi effect that measure, using the advanced statistical analysis, the power of group meditation to change the social climate. In the summer of 1993, this approach reduced crime by 26% in Washington, D.C. An earlier study on the Lebanon War showed profound reductions in open warfare. These results have been confirmed repeatedly through extensive research published in leading scientific journals.
And beautiful.
Maharishi left a legacy that includes the spread of ancient spiritual tradition of meditation for world peace, which he made available to humanity. He once said, "The greatest attainment of a saint is his life itself." The high edifice of realized Vedic living that develops from direct experience of reality. To understand that inner personality, one must approach such realized souls with an open and receptive mind and try to visualize the great internal light, and that is the basis of their actual and real form of living. Historians, researchers, and scientists all over the world credit Maharishi to be a true carrier of the legacy of Vedic wisdom and a great teacher of spirituality in the last millennium. History of the world may change, so may geography, arithmetic, and language. But in centuries to come, Maharishi Mahesh Yogi will be remembered as one of the dominant modulators of a new world full of peace, contentment, positivity, and never-ending bliss.